Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Hello family, and welcome back to another edition of First Shots, First Thoughts. This one is a throwback because, well, we're going to look at the gun that started it all. So we're going to start off with unboxing and unveiling what that gun is. Now, to be fair, this is not the one that, when I say the one that started it all, I mean for me, not the first air gun, because I definitely don't have that. So, I'll see you after the unboxing.
It's a big boy gun. Ooh, some wrapping paper. Oh, it comes with targets.
Uh-huh.
Nice. Targets. There's the gun. That thing's big. If you look on the back, then it shows how long it is.
You ready? Watch.
What are those?
Those are the bullets.
Whoa.
13.7 and 14.3 grain.
Dad, flip the gun over. It shows the whole thing, half of the whole thing.
Ow!
Yeah, I'm videoing it. Don't get in the way.
You see the whole thing?
Yeah. And if you want, then I could edit it. I can edit stuff.
Can I sit here?
No.
No.
I'm recording. And I'm the editor too. I can just block out you anyways.
Can you see me?
Nope.
Hey!
I'm gonna.
10 shots fired. Chronograph tape enclosed. Cocked reliably for all shots. Trigger functions correctly for all shots.
How do you cock this big boy? Is it one of those where you
Use
have
a
to?
12.96 grain bullet. 851. 833.
No. Stop putting it facing me. That is a big gun.
Pretty sweet.
Is it a she or a he?
A sheep.
What are you naming it?
Gunny.
I don't know. She'll give me her name at some point. She'll tell me what her name is.
Gunny. The camera, the phone agrees with me. See?
You're shaking it.
What do you think? What do you think its name is?
Got the rail. Looks pretty nice. Alright. Well, now that you've seen what it is, here it is. So, this is Crosman Diamondback. This is before the newest version, so you can still find a few versions of this. The scope I have on here is not the same scope that comes with them. When I bought this, it was a without scope version. I didn't pay the extra $30 or $40, whatever they were charging for a scope at the time. Kit. So It is a 22 caliber break barrel rifle, and let's take a look at how those shots look. Howdy. Today we're going to be shooting off a new Crosman Diamondback 22 air rifle. It's a break barrel, shooting at 10 yards, just trying it out, using a 13.7 grain that came with it, pellets, shooting right here at this target. I think we got it sighted in earlier. I think the sights are right. We'll see how good I am, how good I do. So let's get started. Well, as we can see, my aim needs some work, but consistently shooting for here, it's pretty good, pretty tight. Looks like I need to adjust the scope to the left and up a bit still though. See you later. Alright, welcome back. So, got to see first shots. I think I'd taken a few before that, but it's basically the beginning of me taking some shots and seeing how the gun worked. Strap that's on here also didn't come with it originally, but I've got straps to shoulder it because this gun's heavy. With the scope, it's a little over 9 pounds. Without, it's around 8.5 pounds. 11mm dovetail. To that I added a Picatinny adapter and mounted scope rings. That way I can look through here, still use the iron sights if I choose to. That's just a me thing. Like I said, it is a 22 caliber. It is a break barrel, and it takes some considerable force to actually break that barrel. Safety right in front of the trigger, it's an easy flip. Back is safe. Forward for fire. It does shoulder pretty nicely to get ready. It's got that pistol grip. It makes it pretty comfortable. The fact that it is a break barrel and it's a higher powered one. The box, if you saw during the unboxing, said 1200 feet per second, and that is of course with an alloy pellet. I saw speeds around 8 to 850, I think, when I used my chronograph app on the phone. I don't actually have a chronograph yet. Maybe one day. We've talked about that before. But due to that high power, it's got kick, as much kick as air guns have, but it is a little hold sensitive, so that artillery holds nice and just kind of rests up here and not deep into the shoulder, just sitting. Try to hold it the same way every time. may try. We're going to do some pellet tests soon. I'm going to do that. Try using the stand and see if that helps. Does come with iron sights that are adjustable for windage and yardage, which is nice. This seemed to hold, not a whole lot of jumping around. That high power does mean that it can be hard on scopes. Well, I don't think it's broken this scope. It definitely has loosened things on me. And this one needs tightened back down in the correct, adjusted back to the right position so that I'm shooting straight and, a little crooked. Overall, I like it. It is a lot of cocking force. I don't remember the exact effort. I'm pretty sure it's around 35 pounds, though, if I remember right. My wife, I think, can cock it. Nobody else in the house besides me. So definitely not great for kids until they get older and more muscled or experienced. And again, it's on the heavier side. It's longer. This is right around 48 inches, I think. 48 and a half inches end to end. Decently long length of pole. So while it sits comfortably for me, for a child, when I've let my son do it, I let him put the stock underneath his shoulder instead of into his shoulder. That way he can be closer. And it was a little long for my wife when she tried to shoot it. So I think that's about all for first shots and first thoughts. We'll definitely come back and talk about it some more maybe not when next we gather, but I'll see you again when next we gather.